Wouldn't it be a dream to have all of your meals cooked by someone else? I hear ya. I'm Christine Waltermeyer, founder of the Natural Kitchen Cooking School. And I get how busy you are. I was a personal chef myself for many years, and it was one of the most rewarding things I've ever done. Knowing that I was making a positive difference for busy parents, working executives, and my other clients always made me feel so good. I knew that I was helping them to stay healthy when otherwise they might have been eating out a lot at restaurants or eating food that was not the highest quality like meals prepared at home. So if you're looking to hire a personal chef to keep you healthy and avoid spending money on restaurants while saving your time and energy, I've got 3 tips for you to hire the right chef. Number 1, the first thing you want to look for is an experienced chef. Typically this means some type of formal culinary training, although let's just say here that Jamie Oliver is not a formally trained chef, so there are some people who are self-trained who are just as talented, so don't rule out a self-taught chef. But you do want a chef who has at least 3 client references who you can call and speak with to find out what kind of experience they've had with that chef. Along those lines, you might want to run a background check just to make sure that someone you're inviting into your home is someone you feel comfortable with. Be sure that the chef follows all food safety guidelines as well. Most chefs have training in this specific area. Number 2, hire a chef who has the skills and knowledge to cook the type of food you need. This might sound obvious, but if you're eating a vegan diet or gluten-free or avoiding allergens like nuts, you want to make sure that you can relax and feel confident that the chef has the ability to deliver what you need. Number 3, only hire a personal chef who will be reliable. The last thing you need is someone who doesn't communicate or shows up late or calls off when you need them the most. This is where references will come in handy so that you can speak to former clients, but also hiring a personal chef through an agency will ensure that the chef you are interviewing has been vetted as professional and reliable. So now that you know the 3 things to look for in hiring a personal chef, what are the 3 steps to actually hiring that chef? First, you want to see sample menus. This will give you a good idea of what types of cooking the chef specializes in and has prepared before. It will also get you brainstorming what kinds of things they can prepare for you. Next, you want to look at their food photos. If their food photos don't look very appetizing, or they don't have a lot of food photos, those aren't great signs. Images of their food gives you a sense of their cooking style and presentation skills. Many chefs these days have at least a solid Instagram account with beautiful food images for you to check out. They might also have a website with a photo gallery. And if you're hiring through a chef agency, they'll provide you with the photo images so you can get a preview of the chef's work. Of course, you'll want to review their resume. This will give you a snapshot of their career as a chef, listing all of their experience. Once you've done your research about a particular chef, you'll be ready to set up an interview. This can be held over the phone or via Zoom for more of an in-person feeling using video. During the interview, you can ask questions about the particular type of meals you would like them to prepare, their experience with certain dishes, whether they can accommodate allergies if there are any, the flexibility with using spices or salt to your taste preferences, and any other questions you have for them. You'll also want to ask them about their availability to begin, the frequency of service you would like, and what days the chef is available to make sure it matches with your schedule. If the interview goes well, it's time to set up a trial day. This will give you a chance to see how it is to have the chef work in your home, unless they're preparing the food off-site and delivering, which works too. Either way, you'll find out how their food actually tastes. Before the trial day, be sure to be clear about expected portions, whether you prefer organic ingredients, spices and salt quantities, allergies, etc. Most chefs will bring their own knife and basic equipment, but a discussion about how well equipped your kitchen is also worthwhile. I hope you found all of these tips and suggestions helpful in hiring a personal chef. Having a personal chef to support you and your family is a great decision in making life easier and staying healthy. And if you need help finding the right chef who specializes in natural foods cooking, I'll put some information below the video so that I can help you in your search. From my many years of experience as a personal chef, I only work with the best chefs who specialize in healthy and organic cooking. We serve the New York metro area and New Jersey if you live in these areas and need some help finding the perfect chef. I would be happy to help. Have you ever tried hiring a personal chef? Comment below if you have or if you're thinking about it. Here's to your health and finding a great chef. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for weekly videos. Normally my videos are cooking videos, but I thought I would share with you some tips on finding a personal chef to make life easier. Thanks for watching.